Nasty. Hey, what's up, you guys? It's me, Martha. How you doing? So if you're new here, hi, how are you? And if you're a subscriber of mine, hi, welcome back. Y'all saw the title and the thumbnail, so y'all know what's gonna go down, like, in this video. So, no explanations needed. But before we start, I want to say several thingies about how I will be doing my tutorials. I will not be putting up my products on the screen right here because number one, very distracting. Number two, I am not paid. And number three, y'all better use your own makeup, make it work. If you're interested in what I slap onto my face, all products will be just listed down below in the description box, and I will be doing half of my face first just to save up a little time because yeah, your girl want to make it quick. Let's just start. I have like almost nothing at this face, so yeah, I only have like, you can see my eyebrows, and I primed my skin. I have my tape ready because tape is actually really good if you're not that good in makeup. Pro tip. We're gonna start first with our eyes. I'm gonna take a primer. You may use a concealer if you don't have a primer. So like taking this mount, I will just be like mapping out where I want my shadows to go to create like this precise shape. So yeah, just speed it up. In any order, but preferably like you start from the corners and then at the center. You're gonna just pack on the lid first, no blending yet, just pack it on. Now you may just start going over the other colors and just pat a few of them, and then just go back and forth into your palette to make it more seamless. I'll just be showing it to you in a time lapse. I'm gonna line my eyes, pray to God I don't ruin my shit. So now you're just gonna conceal. So here's the thing, I don't know where I put my color corrector, so I'm just gonna act like this one is my color corrector. And just, yeah, this is kind of peachy also, so it's fine. So yeah, I'm just gonna color correct some of my imperfections. I got this nasty scab right here. Are you supposed to put things on scabs? I'm gonna take a makeup sponge and just diffuse it out a little bit. And then we're gonna go on with foundation. So here's the thing, when it comes to doing very colorful looks, I tend to like do this method more, like starting with the eyes and then the base afterwards, because fallouts are not really nice to deal with. So yeah, just pro tip, if you're gonna dabble into very colorful makeup looks, always start with the eyes first. Actually no, not start with the eyes first. Start with the eyebrows and then go to the eyes. Just to save yourself some time from the mess of fallouts. Oh, and also I'm going to take the remainder. I'm gonna take my concealer again to just, you know, because what is that? Dot, dot, dot. That basically that's it. Okay, that's now cleaned up. I'm now gonna take some loose powder and just set my under eyes. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to adding color at our lower lash line. Starting off with like the outer corner, which is the yellow, and then the light purple, finally the hot pink at the center. Okay, that's that. And now we are going to contour. And now we're gonna move on to the brush. So just gonna take a little brush, put it over here, not at my apples. I want this part bright. Just gonna place it directly above that contour slash bronzer shade. And then paint. Before I forget, I need to put some lip balm. I'm gonna curl my lashes, put on some mascara, pop on some lashes, and some other glitz and glam, and I'll be right back. Gonna take like just like a pink lip color that's kind of nude, so yeah, pop it in. There you go. Gonna take some pressed powder and just dust it all over our face, get rid of that oily spot. Final step is to spray. Okay, so guys, here is the final look. Am I pretty? Yeah, damn right I am. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I am more active there. That is my main platform. You're gonna see all my good, no, they're not good looks. Comment down below on what kind of look you want me to do next, other than the natural thing, because that's not really my niche, but I will try for you guys. Somebody already requested it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.